Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are into basically crafting, woodworks, or just simply maybe you're wanting to sharpen some knives or keep your house or apartment in top shape. And that is because it is a 3-in-1 mini belt sander. This thing is pretty cool. This was sent over by a company called VEVOR. It's obviously going to come with an instruction manual that tells you all about it, but it's super easy to assemble. So here is what it looks like. Now, it's very, very compact. To give you an idea of the size, it's not going to take very much room up on your workbench. It's about 7.5 inches wide. It is about 5.25 inches in depth, and to the top, it's about 7.25 inches in tall. Now you're gonna get 3 little devices. So first thing you're gonna notice on the one side, you are gonna get a nice grinding wheel. This is absolutely perfect if you need to shave down any metal parts, if you are wanting to sharpen a little, maybe an axe or sharpen one of your knives, you can utilize that. Very easy. There's just a bolt here on the end. It is going to include several little kind of Allen wrenches here that you are going to utilize to add and remove any of the components that is on the device itself. So very, very easy. You can just toss these in a drawer and it'll allow you to change them out if you ever need to do that. So opposite side of the grinding wheel, you're going to get a buffer wheel itself. Once again, just made out of a nice soft. If you need to buff anything, works perfect. Once you turn this thing on, you'll notice there is a power button in the front. Obviously, you're going to get a power adapter that comes with it. It's going to activate all these elements. So you don't have to worry about turning on one individual. It's going to activate all of them. As far as vibration and stables, it's very stable. It has these rubber feet here on the bottom, so that way you don't have that like noisy vibrations transferring to whatever you're putting it on. So it's a nice little aspect of it. And it's all made out of nice metal housing, and then the motor right here in the center. And then as you can see, you've got your sanding belt itself. Now the sanding belt is about 1.25 inches wide, and it's about 13 inches in length as far as the kind of overall diameter, where the 2 wheels themselves, they're approximately about 2 3/4 as far as the width of them. Now it does come with plenty of extra belts. As you can see, you're gonna get a whole little bundle of them, and you're gonna get a lot of different sizes, or I should say grits when it comes to these. So depending on what you're wanting to sand off, whether you're looking to do just kind of more fine detail work, you can do that, or you can do more coarse work as well. So you're gonna get 10 belts total from grits of 120 all the way up to 1,000. So like you got the full gamut when it comes to utilizing the sandpaper. Obviously, you just need to pick up loop sandpaper if you need any more. It is got this little metal part here at the front, which is adjustable. So you can, once again, use a little wrench here and adjust it to whatever angle you want. If you want to get that 15-degree angle, which is perfect for sharpening knives, you can do that. It makes it very easy to hold up against the sander if you wish. But like I said, you can easily adjust that however you want. Now it does have a bunch of variable speeds. So how are you going to operate that? On the power controller unit itself, you're going to see these little kind of lights, and then there is a little click button here on the side. Simply go ahead and tap that, and you are going to go from a 12 to a 24 setting, and those are the 7 different levels as far as how fast this is going. Now you'll notice on the front, you're going to see a little red switch. If it's in the middle, it is on the off, and then you have your 1 and your 2, and that's going to be your forward or your reverse motion, depending on how you are wanting to utilize the device. It allows you to reverse it, which is nice, so you don't have to flip anything around. But overall, like I said, very, very simple to use, doesn't take up a lot of room. If you're looking to grind anything, polish anything, or sand anything, this thing's got you covered and is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.